Home Remedies presents
1 spoon a day. Cleans blood vessels, liver and intestines. The blood clots in the veins dissolve. Today I will offer the simplest and super working recipe for cleansing blood vessels, liver, intestines and the whole body based on walnuts and garlic. Works 100%. Tested on my dad at 73. Dad's blood vessels are better than at 30. This remedy is incredibly good for immunity and gentle cleansing of the body. Hey friends, from which city and country are you watching my videos from? Let me know in the comments. Let's see how to make the remedy. Ingredients: walnuts 100 grams, garlic 1 bulb, honey 3 tablespoons, lemon juice 2 tablespoons, olive oil 3 tablespoons. Directions: take the walnuts and blend them. Then add all the other ingredients in the required quantities in the blender and blend everything all together. You will get a smooth paste. Your remedy is ready to be used. Store it in an airtight jar in the fridge. Take 1 teaspoon daily.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.